Hi friends, you're watching movie reviews with Raghuram. The song Natu Natu from Triple R, Rajamouli sir's movie Triple R has been released. And what a fantastic song! What an awesome song! Leave apart the song composition. They're fantabulous, awesome, and a fantastic dance number. But as I mentioned, fantastic dance number. We will come to that underlined word dance. What a dance! Ultimate dance and ultimate choreography, and choreography has been awesome in this song. You can see two dancing heroes are Junior NTR and Ramcharan dancing to the tunes of Natu Natu. What a dance! You have to see. It is a feast for all the dance lovers, all who love seeing NTR, Junior NTR, and Ramcharan dance. I should mention that Junior NTR is a blessed actor with fantastic dance talent, and Ramcharan is also one of the best dancers in Telugu industry. In fact, in the Indian film industry, apart from being fantastic actor, these two actors are not only good actors, not only good dancers, but they carry awesome expressions on the face. The expressions they give, the way they enjoy the song, the way they dance, the way they bring out the expressions while dancing, the way they synchronize with each other. Very importantly, synchronization of the steps. You just see the synchronization of steps of Junior NTR and Ramcharan. It is really awesome to watch. And so I just watched the song Natu Natu in Telugu, that is the original composition. I also watched Nacho Nacho in Hindi, and also the Kannada version, Tamil version also I have watched. I have to watch Malayalam version, a short clip of Malayalam version. I just watched the lyrics and the meaning. I think it is almost the same, though I don't understand Tamil and Malayalam a lot. Almost the lyrics have been superb. The composition of the song has been superb. The music, especially by M.M. Kirvani Garu, is really awesome, and it synchronizes well with the dance, as if the song has been written for the dancing moves and dancing steps and synchronization of Junior NTR and Ramcharan. Awesome song Natu Natu is. So for the most of the length of the song, we can see the graphics and animations of Junior NTR and Ramcharan dancing one after the other coming, and on the backdrop you are shown with the making of the song and making of the dance of Natu Natu. The choreographers working, S.S. Rajamouli sir, the captain of the ship, working with his direction instructions, and also a lot of things happening in and around the moments of the movie, and especially the making of the dance has been shown. We can only see two clippings, two little bit lengthy extensions of the dance moves. At the beginning of the song, after maybe a few seconds, you can see NTR and Ramcharan dancing to Natu Natu, and rest of the things, as I said, it is animation and also the making of the song and dance. And again, towards the end of the song, the high energetic dance steps of Ramcharan and Junior NTR, you can see and enjoy that. So this is anyhow, it is a promo of the song, and most of the song has been hidden. I don't think the song will be entire length of the song, and the dance will be released anytime before the release of the movie. S.S. Rajamouli he has only served what we can call it as an appetizer, and kept our taste buds a dil mange more moment, like craving for more, and we can see the entire length of the dance only when the movie releases on the big screen. Visual, shout, dance, and feel ourselves in sync with the song. Especially if it is single screens, there will be a lot of hangama when these two dancing stars are synchronizing with each other, step to step and dance to dance, and to the song of Natu Natu. Again, coming to the song composition of the music is brilliant. M.M. Kirvani Garu is there, and no compromise with the music at all. I need to speak about Prem Rakshit, the choreographer. Hats off to the choreographer for bringing the big frame, the larger than life picture to this particular song, and the high volatile energy put into the song through the dance steps, through the synchronization by Junior NTR and Ramcharan. Prem Rakshit has done a fantabulous job with the choreography of this song, and this song will undoubtedly be the talk of the year once this movie releases, or the dance of the year once the movie releases. Rahul Sipliganj and Kala Bhairava have sung the Telugu version of Natu Natu, and they have given fantastic vocals to the song. The song is also highly energetic, and it definitely pumps up your adrenaline and gives goosebump moments. You'll just feel like leaving your chairs, leaving your wherever you are sitting, and just practice the steps and dance with Junior NTR and Ramcharan. I always loved these two actors, Ramcharan and Junior NTR, my favorites. Individually, as I already said, they're the the best dancers, and just like Junior NTR or Ramcharan take them as they are the actors of a director. That is, they make a director's dream come true with their acting and expressions, extraordinary expressions and awesome expressions, situational expressions, what I mean, and also with their powerful dialogue delivery, which syncs with their acting. Apart from this, these two actors are also choreographers' dreams. Like they make the dreams of choreographer come true on the screen. They give their 100%, sorry 200%, sorry 1000% to the dance numbers, and make every choreographer proud. So individually they are best dancers, and when they are brought together, only S.S. Rajamouli sir would have dreamt of bringing them together on the screen and also giving them this sizzling number and making them dance together. It is a treat. It is really a treat to watch Junior NTR and Ramcharan dance to the number of Natu Natu. If you haven't seen that, just watch it on YouTube in whichever language you love to watch. The song has been released in Telugu, Kannada, Tamil, Malayalam, and also Hindi. And once again, hats off to S.S. Rajamouli sir. So he is a creative genius, and for not only creating RRR, what might be in RRR, we will only learn after the release of the movie, but for presenting us this beautiful song, wonderful song, and a dance number to which we all would love to dance with Ramcharan and Junior NTR, Natu Natu, for giving this fantastic dance number. Hearty thanks to S.S. Rajamouli sir and his entire team. Thanks for watching my video. If you loved my video, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch up with you all in my next video with yet another movie review. Until then, do take care. Goodbye. Namaste.